Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Jari Creates. Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video I will be doing an updated eyebrow tutorial. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, press that bell so you don't miss any videos, give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So I'm going to be doing an updated eyebrow tutorial because I cannot remember the last time I did one. I think the last time I did one was probably like 2019, but I don't even think it was an official eyebrow tutorial. So I really need to show you guys how I do my eyebrows because I definitely have a different technique now, and you know, over the years or months or whatever, my eyebrows have changed. So first things first, what I do before I do my eyebrows or my makeup period, I wash my face and I put moisturizer on my face because I don't like my face being dry under my makeup because it feels weird, and I think it causes my face to break out and causes my makeup to feel icky. And as you can see, my eyebrows, I don't pluck my eyebrows because I really don't have any, so I really don't find a reason to. If I really want to shape them, most of the time I just do it for fun. I don't necessarily really do it because I need to. So you can see how thin these are, but yeah, if you look at them, they don't even look like they're plucked. They look all over the place. But I usually just do like this just so I can brush them like I really want to in the direction I want them to go. But I also have this little double-sided brush. It's a brush and a comb. I really don't know what the comb is for because, like I said, I don't really have eyebrows to use a comb, so I just use the brush and just brush my eyebrows so they can go how they're supposed to. But with me not having plucked eyebrows, it really doesn't do much. So that's the first item that I use for my eyebrows. Second, I use this brush. This is for blending like my concealer and my foundation. This brush came from Sephora. Here is my other brush, and this is what I use to apply my concealer and my foundation. This also came from Sephora. Then I use this Wet n Wild dark brown pencil, and I recently just got this like last month, and I got it for like $1 or $1.50 at Dollar General. Here's this little brush. I don't know what the top is, but this is from Ulta Beauty. I've had it for a really long time. And then I have my matte finish foundation. I get my foundation from the beauty supply store. I have changed brands. My mom introduced me to this new brand, and it's really good foundation. And then last but not least, I have my little mirror so I can see kind of up closer because this camera is just a little too far for me. So I'm going to get this dark brown pencil and I'm going to start drawing my lines. So I kind of start slightly in the middle because this is where the beginning of my eyebrow starts. You might not be able to see it on camera, but I have like little bits of hairs right here, so I do it as long as I can. And I don't like my eyebrows too thick, so I try to do them as close as possible. So that is the outline. I did mess up a little bit at the bottom, but it's okay. And I kind of start about right here, and I start to shade it in. And then I go down to the edges. Make sure it's fully blown in. Like that. Then I'm going to take this lighter brown pencil from Ulta Beauty, and I'm just going to basically color in the section that's in the front. It helps better create that ombre effect. That way I don't have to just not put nothing right there. And then I get my pencil, my brush, and I just blend it in. Like that. So I'm going to do the other side full speed, since I kind of already explained it to you in detail. Okay, now sometimes I like to take a Q-tip and kind of clean them up around the edges a little bit more, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my concealer on the edges. So what I do is I apply foundation on the top that matches my skin tone, of course, and then I apply like a lighter shade of concealer on the bottom, because I put that on my eyelids and blend it. But since I'm not doing a full face of makeup, I'm not going to apply any concealer, so I'm just going to apply my foundation with this brush. And I don't apply too much, I just apply it to the tip, so I squeeze out a little bit and then apply it to the tip, and then I'm gonna move my hair out the way, and then I slowly and carefully outline it so I can kind of shape them how I want to. So that's it. Kind of just blend it in a little bit. Then apply more and do the bottom. Like that. Now I'm going to apply to the other eyebrow. guys, so that's my eyebrows. So the trick that I use to kind of make them not look so blocky in the front, because it makes them look very fake and, you know, non-natural, I use this brush and I carefully brush it so they can look blended. So there you have it. And then I'm going to blend in foundation so you can see how it looks if I would have had on full face of makeup. So yeah, that's how they look. Pretty natural and very pretty. Put my hair back in the front. So yeah. I know sometimes people like to apply powder to them or setting powder, but I don't really ever do that. But yeah, this is my updated eyebrow tutorial. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.